Hey everyone, so I wanted to talk about an Slnx file, which is a new upgraded version of the solution files for .NET 9 projects and higher. It really is intended to simplify the solution file, and so this is what it essentially looks like if you use the default SLN file. You get a lot of good references of what you can do for debug and release, solution files, and it's kind of good for a program to be able to interpret this, but real humans looking at it, it's kind of, and if you get a bunch of different debug targets in different projects, this list gets pretty long. So what you can do now is first you want to go to see if this is enabled. So you want to go to Tools, Options, and you can go to Slnx, Preview Features, and use, okay. Now if you don't have the options like this, so you would have it in Classic, it'll be the same thing, you just search for that and enable it. Once you reboot or close and open Visual Studio, you should be able to do Save As, so File, Save As, and from the drop down below, you're going to pick this Slnx or Slnx file and go save. Now it's here. Microsoft recommends you remove the old one, but for testing purposes and as this is a very new feature, you might want to copy that SLN file somewhere else just in case. So let's do this. Let's open, actually, let's see if we can double click it. Okay, makes sense. So let's open. Okay, so I think now it should be able to be edited in some regards. I'm not sure why I can't seem to just double click it. No, like you can double click this and get into it, but this file, if we just copy or open folder in File Explorer, so before, after, before, after. So it's much cleaner. You might get some good IntelliSense when you type in there, depending on the IDE or tool that you're using to update it. It is a new feature. So, if you want to be on the bleeding edge, you might get, cut once in a while. That's why it's bleeding edge. But you do get a much leaner refactored solution file. Now you might want to try this out in smaller projects and then work your way to bigger ones. Yeah, cool. So essentially all you really have to do is save this as a new file. So you say save as, and then you get a much leaner solution file. Thanks everyone, and have a great day.